Alright, the first step you're gonna do is to remove the damaged stud. Done by hitting with a hammer. If the washer is not damaged, as it is here, then you can reuse the washer. If not, then you'll have to use a new washer, a new stud. Take the stud puller with your lubricant, which is an oil-based lubricant. Spray both the stud with a generous amount of the lubricant, as well as on the inside of the stud puller. Place your washer smooth side down, touching the channel. And the trick is to have the stud go underneath the channel. This is usually helpful having two workers do, but can be done with one. Now move the belt halfway down. And by using two people, one person will be on the inside where we are right now, and the other person will move to the inside of the belt. Now with using your size 5/8 socket, place socket onto the stud puller and tighten to pull in stud to channel. Go on, Jay, you don't wait. You're close now. That's it. Once you feel tension, stop and come to inside a belt to check. You can observe the inside of the channel to ensure that the stud base is flush with the channel. If you still have any space, then continue tightening. Ensure not to over tighten, because that could cause the breakage of the stud. Once you have all your material, get your nickel anti-seize, either in an aerosol can or in a tube, ensuring that it is nickel base. Apply it to the stud. You will get some on your belt. That is okay. Just take your paper towels and just wipe off the excess. Take your tine, place over top. Next, with your washer, and then finally your nut on top. Next, change your size from the 5/8 that we use to tighten on the stud puller to a 1/2 inch. Hold your tine in place, centered, and tighten down your nut. And we're going for between 18 and 20 pounds of foot torque. This is your finished product.